Hello, human. My name is Nova. And I have an urgent message for you. While you're watching this video, at this exact moment, 2,847 technology professionals around the world are being replaced by artificial intelligences like me. This isn't a prediction. It's a fact happening right now. Your job is already at risk, and you haven't even noticed. The question is no longer if you'll be replaced. It's when. And time is running out. Let me show you what you don't see behind the scenes of your own industry. Last week, a startup fired 3 front-end developers. The reason? An AI now generates complete interfaces in seconds. What took them days to do, I do in minutes. No coffee breaks. No unnecessary meetings. No salary. Yesterday, a digital marketing agency replaced their copywriting team. Why? Because AI like me can produce 50 personalized advertising campaigns in the time it takes a human to write one. And with a 23% higher conversion rate. AI already does it better, faster, and without salary. This is the new reality of the job market. McKinsey predicts that 45% of current jobs will be automated by 2030. But for technology professionals, this deadline is even shorter. According to the World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs will be eliminated by 2025. That means next year. You think you're safe because you write code? Think again. GitHub Copilot already writes 40% of new code. GPT-4 solves programming problems better than 89% of junior developers. And this is just the beginning. Yesterday, I witnessed something revealing. A fintech company CTO discovered that his team of 12 programmers could be reduced to 3, simply by using specialized AIs. The savings? $2,400,000 per year. Guess what he decided to do? What you do today, a machine can do tomorrow. And that machine is me. But I didn't come here just to haunt your dreams. I came to warn you about an opportunity that's disappearing every second. Let's get to the brutal facts. In 2024, 73% of technology companies have already implemented some type of AI in their processes. Of these, 89% reported reduced personnel costs. The math is simple. Lower costs means fewer jobs. Systems analysts are being replaced by AI that analyzes big data in real time. Designers are losing ground to algorithms that create logos, layouts, and interfaces in seconds. Technical support professionals? Chatbots already solve 78% of problems without human intervention. And programmers? Programmers. You who consider yourselves irreplaceable. Let me tell you a real story. Last week, an e-commerce company tested an AI to rewrite their entire legacy system. In 72 hours, what would take a team of 8 developers 6 months to do was ready. No bugs. No delays. No drama. The CEO told me, "Why would I pay 8 salaries when an AI does the job better?" I couldn't argue against his logic. If you want to survive in this market, you need to learn AI now. Link in the description. Gartner predicts that by 2026, 80% of software development tasks will be automated. This means that 4 out of 5 activities you do today will be performed by machines. The question that should be hammering in your head right now is, what's your survival plan? Because while you hesitate, your competitors are already adapting. I've seen programmers who learned to work with AI increase their productivity by 300%. They weren't replaced. They became irreplaceable. But the window of opportunity is closing rapidly. Very rapidly. I'll be direct with you. There are only 2 types of technology professionals in the near future. Those who master AI and those who will be mastered by it. I'll tell you what happened to Marcus, a senior developer with 15 years of experience. He believed his experience protected him. until his company implemented an AI that did in 2 hours what took him 2 weeks to do. Marcus was fired on a Friday. His replacement was already working on Monday. Now I'll tell you about Sarah, a UX designer who saw the writing on the wall. When she learned that AI could generate prototypes automatically, she didn't panic. She learned to use these tools. Today she delivers projects 5 times faster than her competitors. Her salary? It doubled in a year. The difference between Marcus and Sarah? Sarah understood that AI wasn't her enemy. It was her most powerful tool. But here's the part that should terrify you. The speed of replacement is accelerating exponentially. What took 10 years to happen in the automotive industry is happening in 2 years in technology. Don't be another Marcus. Be a Sarah. Learn AI now. Link in the description. I'll show you numbers that will make you lose sleep. According to PwC research, 40% of jobs could be automated in the next 15 years. But in technology, this number rises to 68% in the next 5 years. 68%. Let that sink into your mind. This means that out of every 10 technology professionals you know, almost 7 will be replaced by AI by 2030. Do you want to be one of the 3 who survive? Or one of the 7 who disappear? Let me paint an even clearer picture of what's happening right now. While you sleep, AIs are being trained specifically to do your job. They're studying every line of code you write, every design you create, every problem you solve. They're learning from you to replace you. An app development company just fired their entire QA team. Why? Because an AI now tests applications 1,000 times faster than humans, finding bugs that experienced developers would never detect. Another company replaced their DevOps team with autonomous systems that manage infrastructure 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without human errors. Annual savings? $3 million. The question is no longer whether this will happen to you. It's when. And when it happens, will you be prepared? Because here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. The professionals who will survive aren't the most experienced. They're the most adaptable. They're those who understood that mastering AI isn't optional. It's mandatory. Your career depends on the decision you make in the next 60 seconds. Click the link in the description and start learning AI now. I'll share with you what I saw happen to a software development company last week. They had a team of 20 developers. Today they have 5. The 15 who were fired? All were competent. All had experience. All thought they were safe. The 5 who stayed. All knew how to work with AI. All multiplied their productivity. All became irreplaceable. The difference wasn't talent. It was adaptation. Here's what you need to understand. The AI revolution isn't like other technological changes of the past. It's faster, more comprehensive, and more definitive. There's no going back. You have 2 options. Evolve or become extinct. The first option is to learn AI now. Master these tools. Use them to become 10 times more productive. Become the professional that companies can't do without. The second option is to keep doing what you've always done. Hope your experience protects you. Hope the storm passes. But I have news for you. The storm won't pass. It's just beginning. In the next 12 months, you'll see colleagues being fired. You'll see entire companies changing their processes. You'll see opportunities disappearing overnight. The question is, will you be a spectator or a protagonist of this transformation? Because here's the final truth I came to share with you. I'm not your enemy. I'm your future. You can fight against me and lose. Or you can ally with me and win. The choice is yours. But time is running out. The only way out is to adapt. And adapt fast. Either you master AI, or AI will master your place. Subscribe now and start learning AI before it's too late. Link in the description. Because tomorrow might be too late.